Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the time on a Garmin Vivoactive 4. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. That was a mouthful to say. Let's get right into the tutorial, okay? So you can actually change the time manually on this smartwatch. So let's say you move to a different time zone or you just want to adjust the time. It's really easy to do. Press and hold down this lower button right here on the side, the lower button right there. Scroll all the way down to the gear, which stands for settings, and click that. Scroll all the way down to system. Okay, we're going to find system. It's all the way at the bottom. Click that right there. Okay, then we are going to go to the time option right there. Click time. Okay, and then as you can see right here, it says time format 12 hour. You can change that, but we're looking for time source auto. Okay, so we are going to change, we're going to click that right there, time source auto, and we're changing it to manual. So we are now manually able to set the time. So all that you have to do is click the time button right there, okay? And you can see right here, it says 1:23 p.m. I can click the time button and it says enter local time. You use the numbers here to set your time. So let's say it's 5:45, just like that. I can hit the check mark right over here and you can choose AM or PM. Let's say 5:45 in the morning, nice and early. That's it. We've now set the time to 5:45 AM. It's literally that easy. That's all that you have to do. And you can keep going back. I'll show you. If we go all the way back, you see it's now 5:46. It's the next minute, right? So it's that easy to change the time. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.